Liwanag na guys, mag 7 o'clock na guys. Ayan at guys oh. Fisher Mall. See? Ayan. Wala akong magawa guys eh. Eto, paminsan-minsan pupunta ako dito naglalakad-lakad guys. Okay naman dito guys. Exercise, kami nag-exercise si tatay. Parang ano, parang overlooking guys. Malabon Town Center, ayan, MC. Ayan na sabi MC guys, ayan. Malabon Town Center.